In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively copy and move content blocks on a web page, ensuring your design and layout tasks become much easier. Whether you're reorganizing your site structure or just needing to replicate some content, this process is straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to enter Edit mode. To do this, look for the Edit button on the page containing the blocks you want to work with. Clicking this will give you access to modify your content. It's important to always start with this step, because without entering Edit mode, you won't be able to select or manipulate any of the content blocks. Once in Edit mode, you'll need to select the blocks you want to copy. For a single block, simply click on it. It's as simple as that. You should see a box or outline appear around the block, indicating that it's selected. However, if you need to copy multiple blocks, click and hold your mouse button, then drag your cursor over the blocks you wish to select. You'll notice as you do this, boxes begin to form around each block that you've chosen, showing that they're now selected for the next action. With your blocks selected, it's time to copy them. This part is quite similar across different operating systems. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and C at the same time. For those of you on a Mac, you'll need to press Command and C instead. This simple shortcut will quickly copy your selected blocks, making them ready to be pasted wherever you need them. Moving to the next step involves navigating to the section where you wish to paste these blocks. This could either be in another section on the same page, or perhaps on a completely different page altogether. Wherever you decide to place them, make sure you have access to that section and ensure you're in the appropriate edit mode if necessary. Now, you're ready to paste the blocks. Click inside the target section to ensure your paste command will apply where you want it. This step is crucial, as pasting in the wrong section can cause unnecessary rework. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On a Mac, press Command and V. Your copied blocks should now appear in the new section, ready for any adjustments you may want to make. Finally, adjust these pasted blocks as needed. The blocks will now be in the new location where you can move, resize, or modify them just like any other blocks. Taking the time to adjust ensures everything fits seamlessly into your design layout. And there you have it, a complete guide to copying and moving content blocks for an efficient and cohesive web page design.